Alright guys, so in this video we'll be having an introduction about non-linear data structure. Okay, so the implementation is beyond the scope of this course, but we'll see everything about the non-linear data structures, the most important concepts that you must know when you talk about data structures, right? Okay, so we have to talk about non-linear data structures also. Without them, data structures won't exist. I think those are very important for all the tech interviews and coding contests and all, right? So in almost all the tech interviews, they may be asking you questions from this non-linear data structures, right? So I'll be giving you a lot of knowledge on this non-linear data structures, right? So basically, we have two important data structures, non-linear data structures. One is called tree and another one is called as graph, right? So yes, these are the two basic non-linear data structures. Let me give you an example of tree and a graph, right? A tree is an hierarchical data structure. Okay, hierarchical data structure. Before that, let me tell you why it is called as non-linear. Alright, the name non-linear means the data is not stored sequentially. Okay, so the data is not stored sequentially. So because of that reason, I am calling this as non-linear data structures. Alright, okay. So I have two types of data structures, of course. One is tree and another one is graph. Okay, so tree is hierarchical and graph will be a graph is not hierarchical. It may be or may not, right? So it's hierarchical data. What do you mean by that? Hierarchical data structure. Consider a family tree. Okay, family tree, right? Yeah, you have a father, mother, right? So and both giving child to birth to the child. Okay, both giving birth to the child and so and so, right? This will again go like that. So this is an hierarchy, right? It's called a tradition, an hierarchical data structure, right? And this father, mother, child are called as nodes. Okay, so these are called as nodes. Okay, nodes of the tree. Whereas this links between the nodes are called as edges or links. Okay, edges that will an edge is basically something that connects the nodes. Okay, so that's all about that's the introduction on trees. A graph is something, so the tree has its own applications in a lot of stuffs, right? Where you want to have an hierarchy, guys. The best example is the file system on your computer, right? How do you claim that? Let's say uh, I'm clicking my computer, my PC in my computer, and I'll get a lot of drives there, right? I'll get C drive, and I'll get D drive, and I'll get E drive, right? So I can click one. If I click D drive, here I'll be having a lot of folders. Let's say I have a new folder, and inside that I have a new file. This is called an hierarchy. Okay, this is called an hierarchy, and this follows exactly the tree data structure only, right? So this is tree. Graph is a graph is something that is connected. The nodes are connected, but it is not hierarchical in a non-hierarchical manner, but the nodes are connected. Here also, graph also, you have nodes, but those are called as vertices. The nodes are called as vertices. Edges are called as edges only in graphs. We'll see about them in very detail in the upcoming videos. This is a basic introduction on the non-linear data structures. Okay, and see you there in the next video. Thanks a lot.